What's up, good people? It's your homegirl FOI WAMBUI and welcome to this new video. If you're new to my channel, karibu sana. You are welcome to stay, to sit back, relax, get comfortable, and join the family. Karibu, you are always welcome. So I'm actually in Mombasa right now. Yeah, so I'm in Mombasa, but this video is not about Mombasa. It's about a trip we took a few weeks ago to Sagana. So it was, I think, 9th December. Karani, Maxine Wabosha, BG, and I went to RAPIDS Camp Sagana for an adventure package which involved camping for one night. There was water rafting, the waterfall plunge, and kayaking, and it was such an amazing experience. And I just had to do the intro again because I feel like it wasn't sufficient. Yeah, also because it's almost Christmas time. By the time you guys are seeing this, it's gonna be 24th December, and I want to wish you guys a merry Christmas. I hope wherever you are, you're enjoying yourself, you're enjoying the quality time with family and friends, and you're just keeping safe. Yeah, I hope you're really enjoying the festive season. So let's jump into the video. We just got here. You guys, funny thing is I really wanted to go for this water rafting and waterfall and kayaking experience here. I've planned it the whole year, but it never worked out, which is so crazy because now I get to do it. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
And if you're lighting up my way,
We're going to be doing that soon. We are crossing over to?
We are crossing over to Murang'a County. Now we are done
With Kirinyaga?
Yeah, but
Okay.
but we are still in Murang'a County.
Oh my gosh, we are crossing over to Murang'a County in 1, 2, 3, go! We are in Murang'a County from Kirinyaga County. Whoop whoop!
I'll be yours till break of day.
Sasa tunabuka hiyo side ingine. Yeah. La.
Oh, that was on purpose.
Ni hapa tu. Mazemi, I was ready to go huko. Oh, itafika. We got here, we ate, which is, I don't understand why, because we ate KFC on the way here. Like,
none of us had breakfast.
but like we ate, and then like an hour later we were over here eating lunch. So I don't know how we're gonna be doing these activities with full stomachs. Actually, I just wanted to show you guys this. So this is the Akaso EK7000. It sort of works like a GoPro, and I got it from CDI Gadgets. They were sasa sikia huyu mwingine. Y'all just don't, you don't want me to prosper. You don't want me to prosper.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our channel.
So nilikuwa naambia, I got this from CDI Gadgets. So they lent it to me for the weekend. And they have other really cool things that they are willing to lend out and give people.
Show them the monkeys.
Yeah.
At the
Oh yeah, no, it's too late. Wabosha, how are you feeling? And Karani?
I'm psyched. By the way, tunaitwa. Ndo nimekuja kuwaitwa.
Oh, tunaitwa.
Mom, hype. I got energy.
I got
Let's
energy.
do
I
this.
got energy.
Got a lot of energy. Got a lot of people on the energy.
Baby, don't you waste me.
Right.
Baby, don't you waste me. You'll be a short
It was at this moment that she knew she f***ed up.
Hey, you guys. You guys. You guys.
I'm almost
This
dead.
one. It was crazy. It was crazy. Honestly, this is the best experience I've ever had.
My life.
You're just like, nah. Good morning, guys. So it's Monday. We had breakfast right now, and now we've changed, and we want to go for kayaking, and then we'll probably just start leaving because it's Monday. Yes.
Boy is
Thank you.
he's struggling to stay alive.
Where? Let me tell you guys, this water taught me a lot, especially when we're doing the kayaking, because at first I was killing it. Yeah, so there were different challenges, and so the third challenge was the one that I just couldn't do, especially the first time. So at first it was Wabosha, she went, and then Karani went, and then BG went, and then me, I was just left there, and I was like, I can't. Like, I kept trying and it was just not working. At some point I just gave up. But just as life teaches you, even if you fail the first time, you gotta keep trying until you're able to do it. So the second time that we did the challenge, it was BG and then your girl, and then I was just there. I'm like, yes, nearly kata. I was like, by then there's no way I am leaving this place without doing this thing.
Toka!
Hey! You guys, I don't even have.
At least leo mtu hajaruka kutoka boat.
Karani. Angalao. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed watching it, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to comment, to subscribe, and please tell me, would you guys actually do any of these activities that we did? Is that something that you would be interested in? I'm curious to hear your replies. Yes, so let me just go and enjoy my vacay time here at Mombasa, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.